Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Always Secured Automation. In this video, we will discuss Module 3.4, Hydropower Plant Classification. The hydroelectric power plant is classified as according to availability of head. High head power plants. These types of plant work under head 100m and above. Water is usually stored up in the lakes on mountains during the rainy season or during the season when the snow melts. Surplus water discharged by spillway. The tunnel through the mountain has a surge chamber. Flow is controlled by head near gates at the tunnel intake. The Pelton wheel is the common prime mover used in the high head power plants. Medium head power plants. When the operating head of water lies between 30 to 100 meters. This type of plant uses Francis turbines. The forebay provided at the beginning of the penstock serves as water reservoir. In such plants, the water is generally carried in open canals from the main reservoir to the forebay and then to the powerhouse through the penstock. The forebay itself works as surge tank in this plant. Low head power plants. These plants usually consist of a dam across a river. A sideway stream diverges from the river at the dam. Over this stream the powerhouse is constructed. Later this channel joins the river further downstream. This type of plant uses vertical shaft Francis turbine or Copeland turbine. According to the nature of load. Base load, which cater for the base load and required constant power on grid. Run-of-river plants without pondage may sometimes work as baseload plant. Peak load, which can supply power during peak load. Run-of-river plants may be made for the peak load by providing pondage. According to the quantity of water available. Run-of-river plants without pondages. It does not store water and use the water as it comes. During good flow condition, these plants may cater to base load of the system. When flow reduces, they may supply the peak demands. Run-of-river plants with pondages. Pondage usually refers to the collection of water behind dam at the plant and increase the stream capacity for a short period, say a week. Storage types plants. A storage type plant is one with a reservoir of sufficiently large size to permit carryover storage from the wet region to the dry region. Pumped storage plants. Pumped storage plants are employed at the places where the quantity of water available for power generation is inadequate. Here the water passing through the turbines is stored in the tail race pond. During low load period, this water is pumped back to the head reservoir using the extra energy available. This water can again be used for generating power during peak load periods. Mini and micro hydel plants. Mini plant with 5 to 20 meters head and micro less than 5 meters head. By proper planning and implementation, it is possible to commission a small hydrogenerating setup MTO 5 mm with period of 1 year max. Thank you for watching our video.